Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. By the way.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog by All Small Stuff. I happen to be All Small Stuff, and thank you so much for tuning in on yet another vloggy vlog. So on this vlog, we are having a today, not this whole vlog, but today we're going to Brutal Fruit event for the L'Orange Rosa. We are going to Monte Casino, and we will be having consumers taste the drinks, those that have not tasted the drink. So that is what's happening today. I'm going with my friend. My friend is my plus one. I'll show you guys some at the time. But yeah, let us get going. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit on the screen, and oh, these earrings, guys. Yeah, the star of the whole show. Of the whole show. You lying.
When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. We can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. I don't wanna feel like we're wasting time. Tell me, should I go and call up a taxi? We can make out for a play in the backseat. Please tell me now how that all sounds. You can sleep in while I make breakfast, watch cartoons and talk about exits. And if you're happy, stick around. I just feel like this is worth the risk. I never felt a fire like this. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? I just feel like you need to know. Right here, right now, we're running out of things to talk about. Right here, right now, I'm about to let the truth come out. If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? You tell me now. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna do and lay you down. I just feel like you need to know. It's clear. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? If I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? You tell me now. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you just run off and tell someone? Keep my feet on the ground. If I told you I was ready right this minute, I just wanna do and lay you down. I just feel like you need to know. It's clear. If I told you I was ready right this minute, would you?
Oh, good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this vlog, actually. Today is a beautiful, gloomy, raining, cold day. Oh, Joburg is so cold. We are going to brunch with the girls. It's lunch because it starts at 2. We're going to lunch with the girls at Tempo. So I'm about to do my face now. I did my hair. When last did you guys see my original hair without a wig? So, oh, you guys see it all the time in braids. Actually, I'm lying. You guys see it all the time. So I'm going to do that. I also have a cute unboxing for you guys. So let me just do my face. Let me do my makeup. Look cute. The theme is shades of nudes, but it's cold, so I don't know what I'm going to do with my outfit. I'll see what I do in my wardrobe. But yeah, let me do my makeup because we're about to look snatched, and let's get going. Okay, so this is the finished look. I want to show you guys my outfit, but my shoes are in the car, so I don't know what is what. But I'm wearing this crop top. It's long sleeve because I did say it was cold. Then I'm wearing this oversized long cardigan, and then I'm wearing jeans. My top, I don't know where my top is from. The jersey is from Mr. Price. My jeans are from H&M. Let me put you guys down so you can see me properly. These are the jeans. This is the cardigan. The theme is nude. Oh, the lighting. The theme is nude. Oof. The theme is nude. So I just hope that I tried to do my best because it is cold. Also, my face is eating. If they don't like my outfit, they must just look at my face. Wait, I have an unboxing. Let's do an unboxing. Ta-da! Ooh, ooh. Don't fall. Ta-da! I hope I have the angle right. Ooh, I'm gonna sit down. But ooh, look at this drop. Look at this drop. This is a Brutal Fruit and Malondi collab. I'm so excited to see what they said because these boxes, first of all, they're giving LV. They're just giving a luxury. They're giving all the gifts, and I'm so excited. I'm so ooh, I've already opened them now. And then I saw that, okay, this one I saw, but the big box I saw it was covered, and I was like, I'm going to have to open this one with you guys. I have not opened this one. I only opened this big one because I was really curious. Let me get my drink. Okay, so we have our drink in hand. Let us unbox my girls so we can go have drinks with the girls. Maybe I can go with some of the stuff. Let's see if they're gonna match my outfit. Let's see. So if you guys remember, at the launch of the L'Orange, we had a little Malondi runway fashion show, yes, and there were some cute bags and stuff, and then some people that attended the launch left with some Malondi stuff as well, some Malondi collection stuff. So I'm excited to see what they gave us from that fashion show because there's a bag I was eyeing. Ooh, isn't she lovely? Isn't she? Oh, this is so pretty. This is so cute, and it's giving the orange and greens of the L'Orange Rosa. Oh my gosh, and it's quality. Did I tell you guys that I'm obsessed with the packaging? Because wow, you guys thought this one out, hey? Look at this. Look at this. Do you understand? Do you understand? Oh, it's upside down. I'm so sorry. Do you understand how cute this is? Brutal Fruit featuring Malondi. This is the one I opened. So I'm going to, must I act surprised or must I tell you guys that I know what it is already? I'm going on holiday next month, so she's going to come in so handy. Oh, the koala tie. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And then on the inside, we have the Brutal Fruits and Malondi tag. I want to put her on, but she's gonna ruin my hair. But she's so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see my holiday content also. This is so gorgeous, my babe. Okay, so this is the big one where I saw, okay, let me show you, let me hold it like this. Does this not remind you guys of a previous video? Look at that. She's huge. She's huge. I opened it and I saw it wrapped. So I was just like, yee. I'm gonna open it with you guys. You see, she's wrapped. Ooh, it's the bag. It's the bag in a dust bag. Okay, period, Malondi. Period. Okay, she has papers, guys. Let's remove the papers. So, ooh, the detail. Sure. She has Maloney and Brutal Fruit logos on the inside. I hope you can focus so you guys can see that. And then on the belt thing, on the buckle, look at that. Guys, she's going with my outfit today. Today, I'm carrying her. It's a rainy day. This is like summer. I'm gonna carry her for the vibes. I'm carrying her. I'm sorry. I'm carrying her today. And she goes with my brown. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay. I'm gonna carry her. You guys are gonna see pictures of me. But let us go. Oh, ooh. Ta-da-da-da. To. Oh, so now my holiday content is going to eat because I'm going to be matching my hat with my bag. Listen, top tier luxury. Let's clink clink. Before I go, let's clink clink because I'm carrying her. Don't go back in your box. You're going with me. Let us clink clink while I wait for my Uber because it's going to be a girls' lunch/night. So I'm Ubering. Cheers! Hi guys, your side of my reflection in the mirror. I should have actually just used my tripod to hold this, but anyway, yesterday was so beautiful. The food tasting, the drinks, having time with the girls is always good for the soul, if we're being honest. And I carried my Maloney bag. But do you want to carry your own Maloney bag? Because I have something for you. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I had to move from that mirror. But what I want to say is, I have a competition. You guys have a chance to win. I'm giving away 2 Maloney bags, 2 scarves, and 2 hats. So we can twin, you and I, bestie, we can twin. So I'm giving away those bags. I will be running the competition on my Instagram. And literally all you have to do is 1, follow Brutal Fruit SA and me. Follow Brutal Fruit SA and me on Instagram. Then create your own story or feed post about how you enjoy the L'Orange Rosa. But you have to do the 3-step ritual. When you're showing me how you enjoy the L'Orange Rosa, you have to do the 3-step ritual. If you don't know what this 3-step ritual is for the L'Orange Rosa, go to my Instagram. I think it's my second last post that explains or that shows the 3-step ritual because I did it for you guys. And then you must tag both Brutal Fruit and me on your post, and also use the hashtag the La Rosa Life. Ooh, rude. Then tag the Rosa Life and Brutally Beautiful, and then you can win. And then with all those 3 steps, you can be one of my 2 winners. You're gonna win a bag. I'm giving away 2 bags, 2 scarves, and 2 hats. You guys saw them. They were absolutely gorgeous. Why am I tongue-tied? Ooh, wah, ooh, wah, ooh, wah, ooh, wah. I'm giving away 2 scarves, 2 hats, and 2 bags. You guys heard the competition rules, and I can't wait to see your posts. I did not end this vlog, guys. I love you guys to the moon and back, to the moon again and back again, and so on and so forth. I can't wait to see you on the next one. The next one is going to be my trip preps, because I told you guys that I'm going on a trip. So the next one is definitely going to be the preps.